Oh no, the Vortex cursed. The Vortex cursed, 92%. I was so nervous. I mean, is there any doubt I can beat it now? Let's go, nice. GG. That was pretty fun. That was a pretty fun, I would say medium demon. Mid-tier medium demon. Also, yeah, that was pretty fun. Honestly, best experience of my life. On live. On GD, that is. Okay, so that's a demon. Okay, so let me pull out my calculator real quick because even if it's just basic additions, I'm bad at math. Okay, so 200 and damn, 252 plus 39. That's 291. Damn. Surprisingly, less attempts than Verity. Am I the first victor? It appears. That's cool. Oh, surely not. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna get rid of that. I think I'm the second victor because well, Max Potter. But yeah, okay, that was pretty cool. GG.